Alright guys, I've got the car up on jacks. Let's take a look. So right now I have it at a height of about 16 and a half inches. And we'll see if that's enough clearance. So yeah, there we go. So the next step, I've got to take the exhaust out. Whew. Oh my God. And this last one, I need to take my sensor out too. Shoot, I forgot my wrench. Alright, so I just broke the 3 bolts loose, and then I took out the sensor, and it's loose on this side. I kept, there is a hanger, an exhaust hanger right in the middle of the system. I kept that one bolted together for now, so when I break the other manifold apart, this won't drop. Exhaust is always so much fun. But I got it. Alright. So now I have to remove the hangers, or the hanger in the center. And then it's gonna want to fall. So I'm gonna support the back with jack stands. Okay, here we go. Oh, here we go. Alright, now to use my most used tool. It's a 1/4 inch drive metric socket set. I use it on everything. Oh, that extension's too long. So I broke the exhaust manifolds free. I put jack stands underneath right by the catalytic converters so it wouldn't drop while I removed the center bracket, and then I put a hydraulic jack right underneath the center section, and then when I break the mufflers free, all I have to do is lower the jack stand and I can wheel the exhaust right out. It's pretty slick. Okay, this side's free. Put the nut back in place so I don't lose it. We'll do this side. Alright, let's see if this goes how I expect it to. I'm going to lower the jack stand. The exhaust system should drop down and I should be able to wheel it out. Oh, I still have the jack stands up front. I have to take the jack stands off. Alright, let's see what happens when I drop this down. Okay. It's a lot easier when I've done this in the past with two people. A lot easier. Yeah, it's not really hung up on anything up front. It's just heavier in the back. There we go. There we go. There we go. It came out. Well, that didn't quite go as easy as normal. I've done this multiple times, but I've usually always had a second set of hands. So one person to manipulate the jack, one person to control the front, and then together you slide it out. It works really slick. This was easy, don't get me wrong. I didn't have much problem, but whew. All right, the exhaust is out of the car. I put a 2x4 in there just to keep gravity from doing its thing. I don't know how long this is going to be sitting here. Hopefully not more than a day or two, but I would rather nothing happen to these tubes from the weight of the muffler just hanging. So just support, brace up the muffler so nothing happens to the tubes. Next step is to remove the tire cover, and that's it.